that wascally veterinary wabbit is back with his third and final pet health Easter tip of the day. Let's go to him now.
Hello again, everybody. Dr. Bryan, the Bunny Langlois here with your third and final Easter pet health tip of the day. And this is also involving something that you find in these wonderful Easter baskets on Sunday morning. We have already went over the grass, obviously, but this is more of this. The candy and the wonderful chocolates that everybody can enjoy this time of year. And, you know, we talk about it with a lot of holidays that involve chocolate, but just remember that chocolate can be toxic to dogs. It has an ingredient in it that is very similar to caffeine and actually can cause some disturbances and arrhythmias with their heart, and we don't want to potentially see any of those things if it's potentially avoidable. Nothing wrong with having candy out, you just want to make sure it's in a spot that your dog can't get to it. Cats, we don't worry so much. They just don't seem to have the taste affinity for chocolate that dogs do, so you want to be really careful. You also want to remember chocolate consists of milk chocolate, dark chocolate, cocoa powder. There's, you know, tons of different ingredients, as well as different certain things that are mixed in with the chocolate, such as nuts or fillings or like these Cadbury cream eggs here that have that wonderful nougat center. Things along that nature. All of those things factor into determining how toxic or potentially toxic the candy and chocolate is to your pet. So you want to have all of that stuff ready in the event that your pet unfortunately does ingest some of the wonderful candy treats. So this way your veterinarian can properly assess to see if something needs to be done or if it's just something where you're going to watch for a little bit of vomiting and diarrhea secondary to the chocolate itself. The other thing that's really important is if you notice with these wonderful Cadbury cream eggs and some marshmallow eggs here, a lot of times dogs aren't going to discriminate between the chocolate itself and the packaging that it's in. And we see this a lot also with the Hershey Kiss type things where they'll just go in and grab a mouthful and swallow. We worry about those wrappers. Obviously they can't be broken down, and if you get a lot of them they potentially can bunch up and obstruct the intestine, which again is another life-threatening situation we don't really want to have to deal with if obviously we can avoid it, especially on the Easter holiday. So remember what the bunny told you again as your third and final pet health tip of the day: keep the chocolate and the candy away from your pooch.
If you have any other questions about the Easter holiday and potential hazards to your pets, be sure to contact these local websites, or even better yet, pay a visit to your local and trusted veterinarian today.